My name is Patricia Millinson.
My name is Riley Fromm.
My name's Henry Tobble.
I'm taking welding.
You can do whatever you want with it. You can control electricity, fire, really create whatever you want.
Just a different atmosphere with the other schools and all the other people we have.
We learned how to oxyacetylene cut, so that's basically cutting with a flamethrower. My interest in welding came from when I was a kid. My dad was a major welder. He's been welding for close to 25 years now.
I just thought it kind of looked cool.
It's pretty awesome.